Now that you've listened to the story Equal Schmequal, we went ahead and built our own balance to help us understand the equal sign. So we took a hanger that has some of these little slots or notches in it, and 2 pieces of yarn that were the same length, and 2 cups that are exactly the same. They have to be the same or else your scale will never balance, I don't think. We had a little trouble getting the scale to be balanced or where the cups are both at the same height. So you have to kind of experiment around, and then we tape them into place. Okay? So when the animals were looking at the balance and how to make the teams equal, they found out in the end that both sides had to have the same value. It didn't matter that there were meat eaters versus plant eaters and things like that. It mattered that they had the same amount of effort into their equals sign. So we're going to start with a simple equation that you already understand. You've seen these before. This one is 4 plus 1 equals 5, and we're going to demonstrate with that with our balance. So we're using Starburst today, and I am going to take 4 pinks, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to add them into my balance. And look what happened to my side of the scale. It went way down. For an animal, it would have went flying. And I'm going to add 1 to my other one. So now I have 4 plus 1, and Claire is going to add 5 to her side. And miraculously, our scale balanced, and they are equal now on both sides. Now we're going to bump it up a level. So that was a simple equation. Okay. Now we're going to try something that looks a little different than what you might have seen so far. We're going to try 2 plus 2 equals 3 plus 1. 2 plus 2 equals 4. And 3 plus 1 should equal 4. We're going to have the same. Let's see if it's balanced. Claire, you go first this time. She's going to do 3 plus 1. There's her 3 yellows and 1 pink. We are not even now. And I'm going to do 2 orange and 2 reds. And they are pretty much balanced again. Sometimes it's a little bit off because of the way they're laying in there, but you can tell that they're not way up and way down. So that is how we basically understand how to balance equations. Both sides have to have the same value. So if I had something a little bit different, like 4 plus 6, that side we know equals 10, then this side better equal 10 as well. We would have 5 plus, what do you think? Yep, 5 plus 5, because both sides have to equal 10. Now Claire and I are going to have to do mix and match because we don't have enough colors. But I'm going to make 10 and she's going to make 10. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 6 certainly doesn't equal 0, equals, she has 5 plus 5, and both sides equal 10. So that is a concrete way for you to start understanding how to balance equations.